What are you doing, Tigger? Huh? What are you doing? Hey, you being a good boy. Huh? Huh? It's like, you gonna turn the water on, man? You gonna turn the water on? I like to drink out of the sink, apparently.
Good morning. I'm getting ready for work.
6:30 in the morning.
Yep. What, Tosh?
What,
Tosh?
3 inches of snow last night.
What, Tosh? What, baby? Good morning. Good morning, baby. Oh, hi, Dave. Was he drinking out of the faucet?
I need some paw soap, man.
Aw, he's like, I'm cute. What is that? What are you?
So he said, how the fuck did he get up there?
Toby, I gotta get ready for work. Hey, honey.
What's up?
You look good with a beanie on.
Oh, do I?
Oh, yes, you do.
Yeah, I better look good with a beanie on. 20 degrees below zero.
Yeah, it's 10 degrees outside here, and we're helping my dad move. So we're all bundled up and stuff to help him move today. But we gotta hurry up because once the sun goes down, it's gonna be -9.
Yeah.
So,
well, wind chill's -20, gonna be between -20 and -40, depending on where you're at.
Yeah. So pretty much we're gonna help my dad, but he's getting the U-Haul real quick, and it is 3:55 right now. The sun goes down at 5. Good luck with that. Yeah. Right?
Oh,
right,
yeah.
guys?
Well, while they're moving his big shit.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't take long.
Hopefully it doesn't take too long. So anywho, it's really cold here. Snow on the ground. There's a lot of snow. I keep slipping and sliding everywhere. I slip and slide on that, you guys. That is where I slip and slide. Yes. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You do look really good with a beanie on, though.
Well, thank you.
What are you doing?
Wishing my friend Jason a happy birthday.
What you said? Happy birthday, Jason! Woohoo! Are you picking your nose hairs?
Maybe.
Italians are so hairy.
Oh, little monkeys, man.
What?
Oh, little fucking monkeys.
Including their little nose hairs.
You're so mean.
And yes, I'm putting this on the internet. Hey, at least he takes care of it and he doesn't have like little octopuses coming out of his nose.
Like a squid trying to reach out and grab the fucking kids.
Toby! Hi, Bubby. Come on, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get the tubbers. I'm gonna get the tubbers. I gotcha. Oh, ooh, I gotcha. I gotcha. Go get it.
This has got to be the cutest thing I've ever seen. She covered him with the blanket, and he stood up and walked in here with the blanket on him. Aw, what's up, Tubbs? Were you covered up? Were you covered up with your blankie? You were? Alright. Good night, little boy.
Yo. What?
I didn't say anything.
You keep looking at me weird.
Because you're cute.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna say peace out and deuces, you guys. So, peace out.
Deuces.
What were you gonna say?
Not much. I was just gonna say, you know, if you have some friends, turn them on to the vlog, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, comment, dislike, whatever. Yeah.
Yep.
Let us know if we're entertaining or boring.
Are we boring?
I don't know,
I hope
maybe.
we're not. Today was probably boring. Maybe
Oh, wait.
today. I think we were boring today. Anywho,
I just put
whatever.
myself to sleep. What the hell? See you guys later.
Alright, see you guys later. We love you, and we'll talk to you later. Aww. All day.
Oh, first time?
Yeah, first time vlogging
First
all
time?
day, and it's 7 o'clock at night. Sorry, guys.
Nice. So what's got you in a pissy mood?
YouTube.
Why?
Okay, so apparently our Eminem Project channel, I found out what is going on and why it doesn't have the correct channel layout anymore. It's because you're bringing that really close to my face.
I know.
It's
I'm trying to distribute
because
alcohol.
Google Plus made